Vesuvius is the volcano born in the ancient city of Pompeii in 79 AD. It exploded, releasing a mixture of hot and toxic gases, full of ashes and pumices. The temperature of the gases was 400 degrees Celsius, and these gases moved in the Vesuvian area, or around Mount Vesuvius, at a speed of about 70–80 kilometers per hour, at the same speed of a tornado. So in 1780, very fastly from Mount Vesuvius, gases arrived to Pompeii, killing all the living beings. We had to imagine in 1780 Mount Vesuvius, when there was eruption, Mount Vesuvius collapsed, and inside it a newer volcano rised up in its middle after the deposition of the volcanic materials going out of the ancient crater during eruption. So today we want to visit the top of the newer volcano born in 79 AD. You had to imagine, if you look at Mount Vesuvius by an airplane, you can see a volcano placed inside another collapsed volcano all around. The external one is the elder collapsed one, the internal one is the newer one born in 79 AD. For me, Mount Vesuvius is a friend, but a dangerous friend. I'm from Naples, so I live in Naples. Naples is placed in a fertile area, so Mount Vesuvius is a friend for me, but it's a dangerous friend, because it could erupt again.